So, dear students, the topic is series combination of capacitors. Series combination of capacitors. Here, three capacitors having capacitances C1, C2, C3 are connected in series across potential difference V. V is the potential difference applied across this series combination of capacitors having capacitances C1, C2 and C3. Now this potential difference V set up charge plus minus Q. This potential difference V will set up charge plus minus Q on each plate of capacitor. Means the two plates of a capacitor will have charge plus minus Q by applying potential difference V across the combination of given capacitors. Now V1 is the potential difference across C1, which is equal to Q upon C1. As you know that Q is equal to CV. So V is equal to Q upon C. Similarly, V2 is equal to V2 potential difference across V2, V3 potential difference across C3. Since these capacitors are connected in series, so in each plate, in each capacitor, there will be charge Q. Q will be the charge on each capacitor because capacitors are connected in series. Now, so Q will be the same charge. Actually, what will happen? This is the first plate of first capacitor. Will develop positive charge, and last plate of last capacitor. Second plate of last capacitor will develop negative charge. Actually, this plus Q charge. Then by induction here minus Q charge. Again by induction plus Q, minus Q, plus Q, minus Q, plus Q, minus Q. So same charge will develop here. Here one thing you must remember, dear students, that here we have not shown any arrow for current. Why? Because when capacitor will get fully charged, in that situation no current flow across the capacitors. यहाँ पर हमने करंट के लिए कोई एरो नहीं लगाया है। क्यों नहीं लगाया है? क्योंकि जब कैपेसिटर पूरी तरह चार्ज हो जाता है तो उसके थ्रू करंट फ्लो होना बंद हो जाती है। तो अब आप देखो बच्चों, V1 आ गया, V2, V3। नाउ क्लियरली V total potential difference will be sum of these potential differences. Total potential difference V is equal to sum of these, which is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So V equal to, by putting V1 equal to Q by C1, V2 equal to Q by C2, and V3 equal to Q by C3. And last you will get V by Q is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Now this whole combination will be regarded as capacitor as capacitor. This whole combination can be regarded as a capacitor with charge Q and potential difference V. Means instead of taking C1, C2, C3 in series, we take a capacitor which produce same effect as these combination together. कहने का अर्थ है कि इनकी जगह एक हम सिंगल कैपेसिटर लगा दें, इनकी जगह सिंगल कैपेसिटर लगा दें जो उतना ही इफेक्ट प्रोड्यूस करे जितना इफेक्ट ये तीनों मिलकर कर रहे हो। In that situation, the capacitance of that single capacitor will be Q upon V. Q upon V means this whole combination can be regarded as a single capacitor with charge Q, potential difference V, and capacitance is equal to Q upon V. Capacitance Q upon V. Now Q upon V or V upon Q. Q upon V can be written as CS. CS is what? CS is the equivalent capacitance of this combination. Equivalent capacitance of this combination. So V upon Q will be equal to 1 by CS. CS is equal to Q upon V. So V by Q is equal to 1 by CS. So 1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Where CS is what? Equivalent capacitance of series combination. If 4 capacitors are connected in series, then it will be 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus 1 by C4 and so on. If n capacitors are connected in series, then in that situation, summation notation will be used. So this is all about series combination of capacitors. Main points are each capacitor will have same charge, but since capacitances are different, therefore potential difference across each capacitor will be different. But the sum of potential differences must be equal to V. Or if C1, C2, C3 all are equal, then all potential differences will also be equal. But V will be the sum of all these. Suppose this is 9 volt. This is 9 volt and C1, C2, C3 all are equal. C1, C2, C3 all are equal. C1 equal to C2 equal to C3. Then V1 will be 3 volt, V2 will be 3 volt and V3 will also be 3 volt. So this is a series combination of capacitors. So dear students, I hope that this topic will be clear to all of you. Give feedback if any difficulty.